As we step into New Year 2022, it is time we broaden our horizons and make resolutions that are beneficial not just for you, but for mankind at large. From wildfires to storms and earthquakes, there are many incidents or natural disasters that we have witnessed recently. It is no news that climate change is for real, and that now is the time to act on it. Therefore, let us pledge to make these 7 New Year resolutions that will help us, rather Mother Nature and our future generations, to breathe better. Recycle and reuse. It has been advocated for the longest that we need to recycle more and more. But there is more to it than just recycling plastic, paper, aluminium, cardboard, and more. Our homes often have items that we usually throw it away as trash. Instead of throwing them off, think creatively and start reusing them. For instance, the green waste that is produced in our kitchens can be made into compost at home. Similarly, many other things can be put to use again. It's just that we need to be creative with our thoughts, which will help us bring down the carbon footprints. Grow your own food. Having a kitchen garden or a kitchen is a great idea. Instead of opting for packaged food, you can simply grow basic vegetables and fruits at home. These would be far healthier since they will be free of pesticides. Switch to reusable cloth bags. Ditch those plastic or paper bags for good and switch to reusable cloth bags. While plastic is harmful to the environment, so are paper bags since many trees are being cut to make these bags. The next time you're out shopping, make sure you carry a reusable cloth bag with you so that you can automatically bring down the plastic and paper bag use. Start carpooling or paddle your way to work. This is one of the most commonly heard green step. Air pollution is a major cause of concern. While we may love to flaunt our expensive sedans, it is only sensible that we carpool with our friends, family and co-workers when we are commuting. The use of public transport also adds to the cause. But if you prefer to cycle your way to work, then not only will you bring the carbon footprint down, but at the same time it'll make you fit. Exchange or borrow. Why buy new products when we can exchange or borrow them? For instance, instead of buying a new book, you can either exchange it with a friend or head to a library. Clothes, never throw them away. You can pass those to the ones in need, or you can resell them online provided they are in hygienic and wearable condition. In fact, many environment-conscious companies have started taking old clothes for free and instead they hand out discount coupons in return. Become water smart. Water conservation is another important aspect of the green movement. Simple steps such as using rainwater harvesting and recycling water can help us bring down water wastage. And speaking of water, start carrying a water bottle along with you so that you don't have to buy plastic bottles, even if the bottles read they are recyclable. Aware your kids. It is very important for children to know and understand our environment. Parents need to make their children sensitive towards the environment, making them fully aware of climate change and its importance. This can easily be achieved when you regularly talk to them on this topic. But more than that, it will be your actions that will speak louder. Ensure that you teach them to respect nature with your actions.